Okay. Yeah, live.
Yeah.
So yeah, so let me just
Okay, so now we're going to continue with the app. Yeah, okay, so basically, yeah, like from the research I did, there's also you can realize that these ERVs, these are the controllers. So their function is that they are controllers.
yeah.
So
Yep.
they control.
So form. So should I go ahead and type?
Yeah, you can start typing, and we can write it like as you said last time, the table in part 3.
Yeah. And yeah, that's it. So basically, we have added from the table.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, hold on a second. Before we do anything, I need to create a new app at Heroku. So
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
before saving, yeah, the one. So I'll do that. Create a new app, and then we can call it CS.
HW2 something. HW2.
Yeah, I'll just quickly. Yeah. Let's. One. Yeah. I don't know what's the difference in the runtime selection, but
it only contain lowercase letters.
yeah. Okay. Numbers. Yeah, what's what can I write for your can just write down. Okay.
Yep. Too long.
Yeah, we can have it.
Yeah.
Yeah. More. Yeah, what's wrong with them? It only contain letters. This is what we have. Numbers. Also, this is what we have. And dashes. Okay, this.
Yep.
Okay. So actually, yeah, we can start from part 3, the end of part 3. We can do the commands. So say bundle install, okay, and then git add all, git commit, and cool. Okay, and then git push Heroku login.
Git login. Heroku login, yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then git. Let's see how to log into this app. Yeah. login, yeah, I think there's one command missing, which is it init. No, we need to do that. Oh,
Again?
yeah, it's already initialized. So yeah, then we do git push Heroku. Yes, right. This is what we need to git push Heroku master. Yeah.
Master, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Now we verify that it's broken as mentioned in the assignment. So here we check yes, new game. Oh, it's already there. Yeah, okay, so this is most probably from the save that was done here, the new.erb.
So is this the, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so if we try to guess something, then we will see that it's broken now.
Is this, can you close this window and, not window, I mean this tab and refresh again? I just want to make sure, yeah. Okay, click new game. Nice. So it's working, right?
Yeah, so this is basically, yeah, this is the, it's working now because of this form method is filled.
Yep. So let's jump to the next scenario. Develop the scenario for guessing a letter.
Yeah, so now this is what we need to do next.
What is that?
The scenario of guessing the letter, I guess.
Yeah, guessing a letter.
Yeah.
So for this scenario in features, guess.feature.
Yeah.
Let me
So
open
features.
feature guess. Yeah, guess.feature. You already provided a correct show.erb HTML file that submits the player's guess to the guess action. You already have an n-person game hash guess instance method that has the needed functionality. Self-check question. In game underscore steps.rb, let's open the game underscore steps.rb.
Game underscore what?
Game underscore steps.rb. .ruby. Where is that?
Yeah. Step definition. Features, step definition.
Where did you find features? Step definitions.
And then step definition. Yeah.
So game underscore steps.
Yeah.
So in game underscore steps.rb, look at the code for I start a new game. So basically, he's talking about I start a new game over here.
Yeah, with this one.
And in particular, the stub underscore request. So this one, stub underscore request. Are you able to see what I'm highlighting?
Yeah.
Okay. Command. Given hint that command is provided by a gem called webmock. What's going on with that line and why it is needed? So basically, the stub request it's pulling that word from that random word generator URL. Okay.
Yeah.
So the explanation is pretty much that. The special Sinatra hash params has a key value pair for each non-blank field on a submitted form. The key is the symbolized name attribute of the form field and its value. Okay, yeah. So, self-check question. In your Sinatra code for processing a guess, what expression should you use to extract just the first character of that user typed in guess letter field of the form show.rb? So, in order to just get the first letter, right?
Yeah.
Um, uh, params guess dot two underscore s. Um, 1 minute.
Okay. Params guess.
The code should return empty. Okay, so when we go to app.rb, okay, app in app.rb, you can see this right letter. What I'm highlighting, letter equal to params. This code.
Okay. Hold on a second because I'm missing something. So
Okay.
for features, guess features, we've already provided a correct show.rb. Okay. So show.rb. HTML file that submits the player's guess to the guess action. You already have a hang person being guess instance method that has needed functionality. So guess.feature, where is guess.feature? Yeah. So in the scenario feature, show.erp.
So what he's talking is how to get the first character, right?
Yeah, I'm a little bit behind.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
still under the valid scenario. Valid scenario for guessing the letter. So
Take your time.
for this kind in features, guess the feature already provided a correct shows.erb. So features, guess.features. We've already provided ERB. Where is show.erb? Oh yeah, of course. Show.erb, this one. This one is correct one. Okay. HTML file that submits the player's guess to the guess action. You already have the hang person game needed functionality. Okay. And game steps.rb. Look at the book for certain game steps of the press. Game steps. Yes, this one. Look at. I start a new game step. I start a new game, and then stop request. Yeah. Here. Command. Given the hint that the command is provided by a gem library called webmock, what's going on with this line and why is it needed? Okay, so it's used basically to get the random word, I guess.
Yeah, random. Just basically to get the random
Yeah.
word.
Is intercepting post request in curl area and faking the reply value. This lets us enforce the deterministic behavior of our test and also means we're not hitting the real external server each time. Webmock. Okay. Okay, yeah, okay.
So where are you now in the?
I just finished the first self-check question in the
Okay.
develop scenario. The
Okay.
special hash params has a key value pair for each non-blank field on a submitted form. The key is the symbolized name attribute of the form fill value user type and that field. Or in the case of checkbox or ready button, the browser specifies values indicating it's checked or unchecked. Singular means string converted symbol, so true. Okay. Self-check. In your Sinatra code processing a guess, what expression,
So
what should you extract just the first character of what the user typed in a letter guess? Field of the form show that you are reporting. Won't be. So the reference will give nil. In that case, the code should return. Okay.
so basically what he's saying is how to get the first character of the
Yeah.
letter, right? So if you go to app.rb,
Yeah.
the line 41,
Yes. Yeah.
line 41 is what he is referring. Params.
What is referring to? So okay, yeah. So letter equals parameters and then guess of guess. Okay. So parameters, this is what he said earlier, is has a key value pair for each non-blank field on a submitted form. The key is the symbolized name attribute of the form field, and the value is what user typed into that field. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right.
So yeah, science, yeah. So basically, it's like params is like a library, and then it has the key guess, a simple guess, and that has the value of the guess that the user made. Okay.
Yeah. So
So
in the guess code in the Sinatra app.rb file, you should extract. So basically, he's referring the guess part over here, the whole thing. What I'm highlighting.
yeah,
Okay. Extract the letter submitted on the form. Right.
yeah,
Extract the letter submitted in the form. So basically, he's extracting the form that was submitted in the form. What I highlighted.
yeah,
The next one is use the letter as a guess on the current game. Add code. So here we need to add our code over here. So already an object is created called @game, right?
yeah,
So basically, one minute. So basically, how do we call? So @game, right?
yeah,
Dot. We are calling the method, right?
yeah,
Passing the letter, passing basically the letter.
yeah.
This one. Okay.
Wait.
Passing the letter. Okay. So we passed a letter to the guest. So what is the requirement? Requirement is redirect to the show action on the player can see the result of their guess. So
Where are you reading this? Where are you?
in the guess code in the Sinatra app.rb file, you should in the self-check question,
Yeah.
right where we left.
Okay. So in the guess code in the Sinatra app.rb, you should extract the letter submitted in the form given above code for you. Okay.
So the first bullet point, extract the letter submitted on the form.
Yeah.
So he's doing it over here. The code is already there.
Okay. Yeah.
What I highlighted. See what I highlighted.
Yeah.
Okay. Next thing is use that letter as a guess on the current game. Right.
Okay.
So we need to write our code over here
Yeah.
To take in the letter and using our like our code what we wrote a few days ago.
Yeah.
And So basically we need to do, and the third point is redirect to the show action so the player can see the result of their guess. So pretty much, like the third point is here, what I highlighted, line 45.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So basically for the second point, we need to write our code over here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So if
Then
you,
I think,
if you go through, he say verify that all the steps in features / guest.feature now pass. Are you able to see that?
wait.
Once you are done with all the 3 steps, okay. When finished adding the code, verify that all the steps in features / guest.feature.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So basically, we need to go to feature. Where is that feature? Feature guest.feature. Open it, and basically, if you see what I'm highlighting, all these test cases should pass.
Okay, this is in guest.feature, basically.
Yeah. So the
Okay.
test case. Are you getting?
Yeah, I'm getting, yeah. It's just a bit
So
confusing. There are many files and it's all over the place.
basically, we need to make sure all these test cases pass. What I'm highlighting right now in the guest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. So if you go to app.rb,
Yeah, we can start. First testing the start new game feature.
so what we will
Which
do is, yeah. So let me delete this, and yeah, do that.
Yeah. So this passed.
So this one passed.
Yeah.
Okay. And we need to write a code. See, the new game thing passed.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, yeah. So I think so. We need for these features. We have start new game. This is passed. We need also to repeated guest feature and guest.feature and game over.feature. These are the 4 features that we need to do. We passed the first one. Are you following?
1 minute. I'm not able to scroll actually to see what happened. Okay. As a player, so I can start a new game. Start new game dot feature. It passed.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
So the other 3 features we need to pass also, basically.
Yeah. Yep. 1 minute.
So so this is the first one that's given for us, and then the second one that we need to do is here, which is use that letter as a guess on the current game. Okay. So on the current game. Okay.
So where are you? Can you share what you are reading?
No, I'm reading the 3
Okay.
points that we need to.
Yeah. So so in the 3 bullet points, we need to do only for the second bullet point. Use the letter as a guess on the current game.
Yeah, exactly. This one.
Yeah, that one. Only that one. The rest is there. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you look, when finished adding that code, verify that all the steps in features / guest.feature now pass by running Cucumber for that dot feature file. So execute this, and we'll see what the errors we will get.
Okay. So you can go here and then.
And edit it. Guest.feature.
Okay. 4 scenarios, 1 field, which is when the word should read. Okay. When I make the following phrase, then the word should read this. Okay.
So
Mm.
so basically, we need to go to app.rb, okay?
Yeah, we are at app.rb.
Yeah, and we need to add our code over here. So let me just start. So
Yeah, so I think we just call. Yeah, exactly. Was that already there?
equal to false, okay? Equal to false. Read this. If a guess is repeated, set flash message that you have already used that letter, right? We need to
Yeah.
do coding for this. So
Okay. Yeah.
if, okay, equal to false,
Yeah,
right?
we can. Yeah.
Then flash,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
and copy this flash and
Yes.
copy this message,
Message. I'm sorry.
yeah, uh, and and paste it out here. That will do. Okay.
Okay. The okay. Yeah. Here.
So we did basically, if a guess is repeated, set flash. So
Yeah.
we go to our coding, what we did in the hang person, what we did is for anything that's wrong,
Yeah.
right? You remember
Exactly.
we are returning
Yeah.
false,
Yeah.
return false. So we basically keeping that in mind, we return false and, so
Uh,
save it and try to execute.
yeah.
So we'll try to see,
Yeah. Yeah. It's clear.
right?
Yeah.
So we need to write for this what I'm highlighting. If a guess is invalid, set flash message invalid guess.
Yeah.
In the same
So
way,
yeah, I get it now. So can I take over for a bit or give
yeah,
it a try at least? Yeah. So I
yeah,
say flash and then invalid guess.
yeah.
Yeah. If game dot guess equals
Give at the rate.
nil, I guess.
If just before game, before,
Ah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So the
Then letter.
guess equal to nil. So we already have a method, right, for invalid guess.
Invalid guess is nil, I guess. Right? Is that correct?
So, let's go to our code and check what we wrote for
Okay.
invalid guess. Hang
Uh,
for invalid guess. For invalid guess, we are raising argument errors, right?
yeah.
If you see, if user underscore input equal to nil, raise argument error. If user input
I'm sorry, you're cracking up.
Yeah. So we are raising argument error, right?
Yeah.
So we need to use the same. So well, if let me just type this equal to, since for every invalid
Yeah, I can't hear you. You're cracking up too much.
yeah,
Yeah.
because we are raising argument error over there. If we get an argument error, then also automatically it's invalid. I guess that will do.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Here.
You got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
If not, I can explain.
No. 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 It's clear.
So if you go to hang person code, what we wrote.
But can we write it like this, or do we need to catch it?
I
Because
don't know. I don't know. I guess we can see, since in the code we are returning argument error, right?
Yeah.
So since we are returning that, we are capturing that over here. I don't know whether we can do that or not, but run it and check. Like
Okay.
see what happens.
Yes. Okay. But also, it was passing. Everything was passing. Also, this is.
So this is so for the so what we did is, for all the three points we wrote the code.
Okay. I think we need to catch it. Like if I'm looking at the documentation, we need to rescue argument error.
There's no argument error.
Yeah. It's, but yeah, I think we should see it later in the testing. This is invalid set flash message to invalid guess.
So here is the thing. Can you go to yeah? So you can see we raise argument error, right? So
Yeah.
if you are raising that argument error, I guess we can capture the argument error. Let's see. Let's see.
Okay. Let's see what the other tests should say.
Yeah, because like in during execution, if it fails, definitely we know we screwed up something over here. But
Yeah.
right now
Exactly.
it's passing, right? Right now it's the test cases are passing. So I guess like we are good with this guess dot feature.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
We can start moving on, I guess.
yeah, so we can move to the next thing.
Command save open page.
What is the next one?
Okay, corner cases. I think these are the next. Pick a scenario and work. You have 2 to 4 working at this pace. Run the scenario and watch it fade. Develop the code. Okay, this is the cycle. Use this process to develop code for the remaining win and lose. You will need to add code to the show action that checks whether the game state is about to show. Okay, to direct properly. In the current game lose for repeating the scenario game over feature. Okay. So the game over feature,
Test the behaviors
that's
in
the
your.
one that tests it, yeah. So if we run now this thing and
So what we need to do is we need to see. We have 4 feature files.
I think now we need to run the repeated guess feature. I guess no, doesn't
So
say anything about repeated guess feature.
So what I'm getting is, okay, we have completed for guest.feature, right? And
Yeah.
we have tested start new game feature. That's completed, right?
Yeah.
So
We
so that's what he's saying. We have 2 by 4 working at this point. So we have 2
yeah.
feature files working and 2 feature files we need to test. So so we need to execute repeated underscore guess feature and work on that.
Execute guess feature or repeated guess?
Repeated underscore
Yeah.
guess.
Yeah. Yeah. I think so too. So I'll type in this one.
Yeah. Features repeated underscore guess and feature. We'll get errors,
Yes.
and then we need to write the code for this.
Yeah. So given a certain new game giraffe, when I guess Z, okay, and I guess Z again, then the word should be this, okay, and I should see you have already used that letter, okay. So if yeah, okay. So this is the first feature. Is that when you guess more than once the same letter, you should get a message that you've already guessed that letter,
Yeah.
right? So you already used that letter. Now this is what we did here.
So okay, yeah, now I'm seeing. Now I'm seeing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, then I think it's not supposed to be set to false. I think we should write it like we did in the hang person game.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how was it? Guess include user input from guess include user input from. So basically this line, this line.
Yeah. False.
Yeah, I was looking. Sorry, I was looking at the hang person game of TRB. So this is the one that we have. So
Okay.
if guess includes the user input or the wrong guess include user input, then we should return false. But instead, we should return a message. This is how I get. Do you understand this or not very clear?
So what we will do?
So basically, yeah, we'll just copy this line. So I tell it if guesses dot includes the user input or the wrong guesses include the user input, then I should display this message.
Okay.
Yeah. So take
Hmm.
this. I
So
nice. It's double F.
yeah,
Okay,
save it.
this is not if guess or wrong guess user input. Okay, let's comment this for now.
So right, we'll separate the if statements. Let's we'll separate the conditions for guesses and wrong guesses, so that we'll know where we are going wrong.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see the issue now is that we're trying to call guesses, but we should say game and game dot guesses. Oh wait, maybe that's the problem that we did at the beginning. Right? Yes, here game dot guess. It should be game dot guesses. So
Guesses.
you wrote it correctly, but just a typo.
Okay.
I think so.
So this thing will fail. So that code is for guess dot feature. Run guess dot feature.
Guess dot
Yeah,
No, this is for repeated guesses.
yeah. But once you change the code, right? Just make sure you execute guess dot feature, because we already passed guess dot feature, right?
Ah, okay, yeah, yeah.
Just
Yeah.
run that. You should be getting 0 errors right now.
Yeah.
No, see,
Oh, that one not yet. So okay, what? So game dot guess. This one passed.
yes, game dot guess, because in the code in the code
Yeah.
guess. See, our method name is guess, so we
The
need to
method
use
name is guess.
the method name is guess. What we wrote day before yesterday.
Yeah.
Definition guess, which accepts
Yeah.
user underscore input. So we need to use that only.
Ah,
Okay.
okay. Yeah. You're right. Yeah.
So
Why is it not working?
yeah. So
Yeah.
in order to pass the repeated guess feature, we need to think about something.
Okay. Let me try something. I want to see if we comment all of this
Yeah.
and see if it still passes.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. So actually, yeah. So this statement, when you put this statement, it will pass. So this statement is basic. Yeah, it's definitely correct now.
Yeah.
So now this didn't pass. I do this. All passed. Okay. So this is a correct statement.
Yeah.
Okay. If we try this one, repeated guess feature, it's two failed. The first one is getting the message. You already used that letter. Well, this is what we have. No? Ah, okay. No. Dot guess.
So for the line 47, you need to remove that hash. You need to uncomment line
Okay,
47.
if I uncomment this, so we have now two failed, one passed. If I uncomment this, if I go like this, two failed, one passed, so it's the same.
Yeah, this is not related to this, but that's related to guess dot feature. If you
Yeah,
see the line 39, the 39 requires 47.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So
okay, okay.
let's see, like for repeated guess, what are the errors?
Yeah, the error, the main error is that you should have seen the message. You already used that letter.
Uh, so in our code, what we are doing in our code for repeated guess, in our code for repeated guess, um, for repeated guess,
What's wrong with
see,
it?
for repeated guess, we have the method word with guesses, right? Is that this one?
Wait.
So if you go to hang person underscore game dot ruby,
Yeah,
so for our code for repeated guesses,
yeah.
what is that method we wrote for repeated
Yeah,
guesses?
okay, I solved it. It's the problem was a typo.
Huh?
The problem was a typo. So I think, yeah, I have no control over my command line. That's quite annoying. Oh, that's only guest.feature. Okay. So because I saw that there is in line 44 in the app.rb,
Mm-hmm.
the flash message, it
Okay.
says you have already used that letter. It had
Yeah.
a full stop at the end, and it wasn't looking for that. So this is how it was. So this is how it was. Okay. And then if I run the repeated guesses
Mm-hmm.
dot feature, oh, why is it no such directory? Repeated guess, yeah, sorry. Yeah. So what if you look at the command? Yeah, man, it's really annoying. Yeah, can you increase the size of your bash? So the size of, yeah, yes.
Okay.
Oh. No, increase it. By the way, yes.
Are you are you seeing my screen?
I'm seeing your screen, but I need you to increase the terminal window to so no, increase it vertically. Yes, exactly. Up. Yes, exactly. Wait. So if you look at the last thing that passed, so and I guess Z again, then the word should read, and then the dots. Can you see that?
No. What?
You look at the first line in your bash, first line in the terminal.
First line in the failing scenarios.
No, in the green. The first line you have the first two lines are green. No, go down. No.
Okay.
Okay.
Here.
So yeah, so you see, no, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go 10 up, and then the first green after this.
This one.
No, the green. So stop. Yes, down.
I'll see your screen. Show me that.
Yeah, no, I don't think. Ah, okay. So this part, this part. Yeah.
Okay. And I guess Z. Okay.
Yeah, and then you see here, what he wants to see. Look at my screen again.
Okay.
What he wants to see is this. Okay.
Yeah. You have already
What we
used.
have is this. Okay. So there's a
Yeah.
full stop at the end.
Yeah.
You see that? I think that's a typo.
Okay.
So I'll delete this full stop and save
Mm-hmm.
and try to run it again. Still two failed. Why? Maybe you're not calling the flash correctly. I think, let's see how.
So
Yes. I think we need to write it like this,
um,
something like this.
where
Uh, I'm in the show.erb.
show.drb. Okay.
I think we need to write it something like this.
No, this
Let's
is
see if we have.
HTML. This is HTML. We are doing right now in Ruby.
Okay.
So the same way, like how we wrote the code day before yesterday, we need to do that right now.
Okay.
And
then
using the methods, like we used.
hmm,
And I should see when we already used that method. Hmm. Okay, so basically it's failing feature 7 and feature 15. Guess correct letter that I have already tried.
okay.
So let's go back to our code. Hang person underscore game dot ruby.
Yeah.
So if we guess correct letter that I have already tried. Guess incorrect letter that I have already tried. Uh, so
Okay, maybe we need to set, so make flash message equals that string. Maybe that's what you need to do. You get it? Like if you look at the spec of, so if you go to app.erb, the place, yeah. So if you look at using existing methods and hang person to process the guest, so the description of the
so so
of
so
the
so here is the thing. If the rate game, okay, oops,
yeah.
dot guess, same thing. Um, letter equal to true. Okay? So if you look at the terminal, feature 7 scenario, guess
Yeah.
correct letter that I have already tried. So what is that feature 7 in repeated guesses, right? If you go to repeated guesses, so guess incorrect letter. This is guess incorrect letter. So guess repeated letter. As a player, so that I can avoid wasting guesses on letters I've already tried. Guess correct letter, then I have already tried. Okay, you have already used this letter. Let's see. Go to app.rb. So,
What happened? Why is it not sharing the screen anymore?
see if line 42 in hang person game, a word dot include user input, guesses equal to user input, written true, else uh, else wrong guesses. We are putting something into wrong guesses. So same way,
Or can you share your screen again? Something got messed up in the video.
let me share my screen. Shared my screen.
Okay.
Oops. Able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can see your screen.
So what I'm saying is, it's saying the failing scenarios, right?
Yeah.
Guess correct letter that I have already tried. So for this, okay, when we go to our hang person game, okay, so what we are doing is if word dot include user input, right?
Yeah.
Guesses, we are putting the character in the user input, and we are returning true.
Yeah.
Okay. Or
The thing is that I think that like Flash, you can consider Flash as a library that contains Flash is a hash, so library is Python Python talk, but Flash is a hash and it contains a key called message. You know, like
okay,
if you read lines 37 to 39,
line 30.
let's take for example line 38. It says if a guess is reported, then set Flash message
Mm-hmm.
to you already use that letter. So what I would understand from that is that Flash is a hash
Yeah.
and it contains the key called message. And then here, what we're trying to do is that we set the message key to a value of a string you already selected, use that letter.
Yeah. So for
But then,
that, we wrote the definition word with guesses, right? Line 52.
line 52,
Line line 52 in hang person dot underscore dot ruby. The code what we wrote day before yesterday. Go to hang person.
yeah,
You went. Did you go?
man.
Yes. Not this one. Is it 1 minute? Oh yeah. So go to line 52.
Yeah. It's word with guesses.
Line 52. What is that method? Definition word with guesses, right? This is the
Yeah,
method we wrote for that banana, if you
yeah,
remember.
yeah.
So we need to call this. We need to call this method.
No, why?
Are you getting me? So 1 minute.
Um,
1 minute. Wow. So if you look at what I'm typing right now, if right, call
yeah,
that call that method. So in that method, what we are doing, display equal to we were checking the word dot length, and we are getting the index, and we are displaying the word written display. We are returning the display. Okay.
okay.
Um, so we need to use this method over here. Where is it? If word with guesses, what it returns, it's returning display. So we need to use the display somehow. Are you getting my point?
Not really, but just try it and see where it leads.
Okay. If game dot word with guesses, mm, here return display and display of y equal to c. So where are we using the display? Mm, display of y equal to c, word of y equal to c, and return display. Return, we are returning display. This method should return something, right? If you are returning display, how to access this? That's what I'm thinking.
Game dot display.
Game dot display, game or guess?
Yeah, I think we need to have it as an accessor. Let me check.
What is that?
An accessor, but yeah, we don't have it. We don't have it as an accessor.
Yeah,
So we need to call. So we call add game dot.
display.
No, add call dot.
Are you typing something? No.
No,
So we need to somehow use
I
this
don't know
method.
how to call it, to be honest. I know how to call it from within the function, but if you want to call it from as a method for that instance, we need to set it as an accessor. Remember the accessors that we did in
Yeah, yeah.
lines 10, 11.
Like attribute underscore accessor.
Yeah.
Yeah, set it up and let's execute this, and see what will happen.
Okay.
So go ahead and type.
Okay. In the meantime, yeah, I'll just be back in 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute, I'll be back. Huh?
Okay,
Hold
me too. I'll be back in 1 minute.
on. Okay. Okay, I'm back.
I'm back.
Okay.
So we need to somehow access this. So let's do one thing. Let's define the same way attribute accessor. Okay.
Yeah.
And display. Okay.
Yeah, without the at.
Without the at.
Without the at and make it stuck to the
Yeah. And let's run this so that there are no errors. And okay, it's all good.
Yeah.
So when we do that, we can use this, right, written display. So somehow we need to access this display.
Yeah.
And word.gases. The problem is this method is not, we are not sending anything into method, right, in this method.
This no. No, but now we have display is an attribute accessor, so we can access it directly. So you can say add game dot
Okay.
display. Now
Okay.
you can do that.
So help me over here. Word underscore with underscore guesses and what?
Uh, which okay. So, no. So here we just write game dot display.
Okay.
Simple
This
as that.
game dot display. Game dot display.
But this a game dot display will return as a string with the length of the word, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
If at the rate game dot display. And how to do this?
What are you trying to do?
No, I'm thinking. I don't know what to do. How
Okay. Okay,
So
I have another idea. Can I?
yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay, let's comment this
Okay.
for now, and then yeah, I think the way that we call flash is should be like this. So flash message
Mm-hmm.
equals we
Okay.
use that letter. Okay.
No, not that.
Oh, yeah. So
So
basically, basically, yeah. This is like what I was trying to tell you is that I think because based on here, so if you look at line 38, you see my screen, right? Yeah, okay, it's highlighting in your screen. So if you look at line 38,
okay.
from what I understand here is flash is a hash. So it has a key value pair, like a library in Python. You have a background in Python, right?
Okay. Okay.
So and then you set this key into this value, and this is exactly what's happening if you go to show.erb.
Okay.
If you go to show.erb,
Show.arb. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
line 5, so 3 to 5 basically.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you know the HTML that you have this
Okay.
part. This part means that you're running Ruby code.
Okay.
So it's trying to access Flash
Okay.
message.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Yeah. So
So
that's why I think
we need to change the other thing also. Line 51.
line
That,
51 exactly.
yeah.
Exactly.
So
So you want to do that?
you go ahead and do.
Okay. So
Go ahead.
uh,
Basically, comment that and type fresh, so that we don't lose it.
comment what?
Comment 48.
Yeah.
And we need to rewrite the same
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
like above.
So yeah, I'll take this and then flash message. This is invalid.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, maybe you can write. You can try this. See if it's still passing.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I just want to write also. So this we can delete now,
Yeah.
and I would say, yeah, just write it the same way. Same way. So just to have it dry.
Yeah. Need to put the letter if.
Yeah. You need to delete this if.
Put if.
No, no, no. Yeah, here. Yeah.
Yep.
Let's see. Yeah, then we're gonna autism. Like this. And then yeah, I wanna revert what happened to hand person game. If you don't mind, so delete this line because we don't need it anymore. I guess.
So execute once again.
So I'll execute this
Okay.
and I'll execute the other one. This one. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we need to work on the game over dot feature.
Yeah.
So in the
So
same
we can do this.
game over dot feature. Okay.
Okay. So when
So,
I
so
should see.
basically, if you go to our code once again, hang person underscore game dot ruby, you have the method check underscore win or lose, right? Line 65.
Yeah.
So we should be, dealing with that.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
yeah. So let's look at the test cases. Game over future. So game over. So you win, you lose, um, and there are two scenarios: you win and you lose.
Or you play. So this is the third one.
Third one.
So win. So you have win, lose, and play. Play
Lose.
if you still didn't reach the wrong guesses, the amount of wrong guesses.
In the middle of the game. So like until
Yeah.
he reaches 7, we should display play maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you look at the game underscore over feature, go to that game underscore feature.
Game underscore
Feature.
feature.
Under features. That's what we need to test, right? So you
Yeah.
can see the scenarios over here. As a player playing hang person, so I can get my scenario game over because I guessed the word. So we need to use that win or lose method and say you win.
Yeah.
And if he loses, like if he crosses the 7 attempts and guessed all wrong, then we should display sorry you lose.
Yeah. Exactly.
So, so so our method once again is not returning if display equal to word, return win. So we are returning win if display equal to word. Else if
Yeah,
length is equal to 7, we are displaying lose, and else return play.
yeah,
So we need to use this or there. This,
exactly. So basically, we should return. We should check when we call this function. We should check what's returned,
yeah,
and based on what's returned,
yeah.
we we display the message.
So go to app.rb.
Yeah, I'm there now.
Yeah, app.rb, and go to line 54.
Line 54. Yes.
app.rb. Yeah, we need to write our code over there for the three.
Yeah,
You
for
know,
the three. Yeah. But
yeah,
I think line 54 is different. Line 54 uses another function. It uses the display. Line 54 uses the
yeah,
display.
play. Yeah, play. Yes, yes, correct,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah, correct.
So the other two, let's focus on win and lose.
No, we need to. Yeah, I mean, let's start with win and lose, and then think about the play.
Okay. Yeah.
So how to um,
Okay. I think what we can do is here.
mhm.
I would say wait. Flash
Okay,
and then
message,
message equals
message.
uh, every time. I guess we should eventually end up with this route.
Message, you win.
You win, yeah,
Message, you win.
with an exclamation mark because I think it
Yeah,
really matters.
with the exclamation
So
mark. Yeah. Flash message, you win. You need to have a condition, right? Oh, you
yeah,
already.
if uh, where is our hand person game? Let's check win or lose. This is the method that we want to
Yeah,
do.
yeah.
If at game dot equals win.
Win.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's say save and run the test so that we can.
Okay. Given scenario game over because I ran out of guesses. Okay, I just want to try something. Hold on. I want to do the same if lose because I can't really see the test cases. I only see the one for you lose.
Okay.
So, you sorry you lose. Sorry, you
You lose. Yeah.
lose. If again if lose.
Hmm.
Scenarios two failed. What was the last one? Well, how was the last one? So two scenarios two failed, and this last one was
Okay. Do one thing.
two
Do one
failed.
thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Do one.
Yeah.
Let's comment the 61.
Yeah.
Let's comment that. Remove this and comment this.
Yeah.
And no, no.
Okay. I think it needs to be changed. A or B lose. This is how you call it actually. A or B lose.
Or he's giving like a hint over here. ERB. If ERB is win, 1 minute. 1 minute. No.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I guess it's. Okay, I'll tell you something. Maybe if we do this, because I see in ERB it already sends off a message. Oh, sorry, you were running something?
No, no. I'm just playing around. If
Okay. Can I drive for it?
if
Can I try something? Yeah.
yeah, you go ahead. Go ahead.
Let's see. Just send it to ERB lose. Oh, why? Why? Ah, I need an end here.
End. Mhm.
Hmm. Get freeze green. Yeah,
So 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me do one thing. Okay, let me do it. Get slash win. I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to understand this get status. Get slash win. Do lose. You lose. Lose.
okay, if I read the assignment spec, it says you will need to add code to the show action that checks whether the game state is about to show is actually winning or losing state.
Mm. No. Get slash win.
So
Sorry. Why ARB lose? ARB win.
yeah, so in the spec it says that we need to modify the show action. So I think this is what we need to do first.
Okay. Okay.
You get it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I look at the show.erb
Mm-hmm.
slash error okay and erb. Yeah, okay, so this is redirects to show. Yes, and then it goes to show. Message error and then wait so far. Huh. Okay, so where did yes. So word so far, I don't think we need to. If you look at the show.erb,
Mm-hmm.
there are first if it gets a message.
Oh, sure. Yeah. So sure. Yeah.
Yeah, that says error.
Word was okay. Okay.
With
Oh,
the
yeah.
flash message. Ah, okay. So if you get a flash message, then it should show an error. Okay.
Okay.
If you do a wrong guess, then wrong guesses. Okay, so I think, oh, man, this is very confusing.
Our code should come here.
So every time a guess is made, you should eventually end up at this route. Okay. Okay, so basically in the show method, it tells you
Check display.
yeah, I don't think it's gonna work before filling in the show.erb. Like go to the assignment spec, the assignment
Okay.
itself. If like if you look at my screen, it says yeah, maybe it's 5, I guess. Yeah, here. So use this process, the above process, to develop the code for the remaining actions, win and lose.
Yeah.
Are you following?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you will need to add code to the show action that checks whether the game state is whether the game state it is about to show is actually a winning or losing state. So
Okay.
before it shows, it has to check if it's a winning or losing state. And if so, it should redirect to the appropriate win or lose action.
Oh, okay.
Get it?
Okay.
So basically, yeah, the key is in the show action. So this is where we should be focusing. Is it clear to you? Does it make sense?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. So let's try with the show. So okay, like every time a guess is made,
Mm.
we should eventually end up at this route. So anytime the user makes a guess, it should go here. Okay.
Yeah.
And I think this should be yeah. Never mind. So using existing methods in hang person game to check if the player has won, lost, or neither, and
Yeah.
take appropriate action. Okay?
Yeah.
So what I would imagine is that the show would have some code,
Mm-hmm.
okay? And then if that is a winning, then we redirect to
Okay.
win.
Okay.
If it's losing, then we redirect to lose.
Okay.
If they still have to play,
Okay.
then we redirect to guess.
Okay. So the next question, the next thing is, notice that the show.erb template expects to use the instance variables. Show.erb expects to use the instance variables.
Yeah.
Okay. Word with guesses, wrong
Okay.
guesses. Uh, or so far. So we need to use words so far, wrong guesses.
Take your time.
Okay. Hmm.
No, forget about show.erb. Forget about show.erb now.
What's that?
Forget about show.erb. It's just gonna confuse you. Just focus on the app.erb.
ERB?
App.rb.
Hmm. Okay. Or ERB template express and use the instance variables. Wrong and word from the game. Wrong guesses and word with underscore guesses from game. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Are you there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. um, okay.
Are you getting it or not so much?
I'm getting it, but I'm thinking how to
Okay.
put.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, the way I'm thinking about it is that we can start with the first case. So it's um, if it's still if you still didn't run out of guesses, basically. Okay.
Let's start. If wrong guesses.
Yeah. So so basically, hold on a second. Yeah. So basically, our function, our method in hang person game that we're going to work with
Yeah.
is check, win, or lose. This is the method that we're going to work with.
Check win or lose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, and then so this is our key. This is what we're going to decoding it.
Yeah.
So the way I'm thinking about it is that we call this method and check the return value. Okay,
That's what.
we get one of three. Yeah, we get one of three things: either win,
Or
lose,
or play.
or play.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, and based on this return value, we determine the next action. So if it's win, then we redirect to
Mm.
win to this win here.
Yeah.
If it's lose, then we redirect to lose.
To lose. Yeah.
If it's play, then we redirect to show, I guess.
Sure.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah, I'm clear. I'm clear. I got this, but
Okay.
how to put this? Um,
Do you want me to start with the first one to show you an
yeah,
example?
just go ahead and try so that I can think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say if at game,
Okay. Or method name,
yeah,
uh, which is word underscore with underscore. Sorry, check underscore win underscore lose.
exactly. Correct? Yeah,
Yeah,
that
I
one.
typed. Sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, is uh, win.
Win.
Then we redirect to win.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Else,
yeah,
else if, yeah, you can go ahead.
yeah, I'll say lose.
Yeah.
Will redirect to lose. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Else.
uh,
Yeah.
redirect to sure.
Yeah. But we won't redirect the show because this way we will be in an infinite loop. So we just say ERB show. So the
Uh,
line that's under your cursor.
I'm not getting. Can you type it?
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it's this one.
Hmm.
This one.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Because like if we say redirect the show, then it's going to end in infinite loop. And then in win, no, keep that one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we end. Yeah, no,
Yeah. Okay.
oh, actually, sorry, you're correct. You should have deleted this line. Yeah.
But where will we get them? Like see, we need to remove this.
Yeah, we remove everything. Remove everything. The
But
thing is that, uh,
so
yeah,
so where we will show the message, we are redirecting to
in the controller. So if you look at ERB win,
yeah.
then the app will redirect to win.erb. So if you go to win.erb, where is
Not
win.erb? So
uh,
if you go to win.erb,
win.
it will tell you already you win in the
Got
first
it.
line.
Got it.
Yeah,
Got it. Got it. So we can delete this.
yeah, exactly.
So
Yeah, yes, nice,
all right.
good one.
Okay. Now do will we execute and check like what's going on? We can execute locally, right? In Cloud9.
Yeah, we can commit these changes and then push it to.
Before pushing, sorry, before pushing, can we? So what is that? Um
Okay, yeah. So you want to see it in Cloud9, okay.
So are you able to see anything?
Yeah. I see it. I'll run it now. So. Okay, so start a new game, and then A, for example,
Yeah.
C, E.
Ooh.
Oh, that?
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
what do you reckon?
uh, Strange letter. Um,
M, maybe location.
Location.
Yeah. E.
Give something wrong.
What?
Give something wrong.
Okay, so Z.
Z. Yeah. Nice. And Rig is the same. Rig is the same. Give A.
What?
Guess the same letter what you guessed. Give A.
So
Yes.
E
A as
again.
apple. A as an apple.
Yeah, you already used this letter. Very nice. Leave it blank, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So we got an error.
Nice.
But it should catch this. It should catch this. This is not supposed to happen. It should be
Okay.
able to catch this. This is, yeah. So going back to this line, it
Okay.
should be able to catch it.
Yeah.
But let's continue. Let me try the N to see if we get the message.
Yeah.
Yeah, you win. The word was okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I start a new game and try to lose, so A, Z, let's say X, Y, B, N, 3, 4, 5. So we have two J, for example, and something that no one uses, P, Q.
Hmm.
Yeah, sorry, you lose. Nice,
Okay.
nice.
So we are. So if we
Now
pass,
we need to fix this argument error. That's the only thing.
let's push it.
Now I just wanna let it catch the error, because when we do an error, it does something like if you say new game and
Hmm.
then I put an empty letter, it redirects me to this page. This shouldn't happen.
Yeah.
It should give me a message telling me, let's see, it should give me a message telling me invalid guess.
Okay. So let's put that
This
statement.
this line 22 is not correct.
So uh, invalid guess, right?
Yeah.
So invalid guess. Invalid guess. This argument error. If
Yeah.
that's not working, right?
No, this is not working.
Hmm.
Let's see, for example, uh, yeah, I had an example. It says begin rescue. Okay, maybe I would say I would try to call it.
Mm-hmm.
So I would say without the if,
Mm-hmm.
I would just try to call it and then say rescue argument error.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I should show you. Yeah, I should show you the page. So this is the page I'm looking at.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is how you rescue it. It's like
Okay.
catch. It's like catching an error.
Okay. Okay.
So, but then yeah, I should maybe put it at the beginning.
So we need to put an error, right?
Yeah. So
Invalid,
I should put it here,
invalid guess.
for example.
Rescue error and invalid guess. Go to that help. What you're looking, what you looked just a few minutes ago.
Yeah, this one. So rescue argument error,
Yeah.
and
So
then yeah, I say the command that that was done. So I would say flash
invalid guess.
message equals invalid. Yes, I think this is how it should be.
Okay.
With a full stop at the end. Else, because this is how it's written here. So you say the rescue, and then if you rescue this argument error with the first command,
Okay.
else
Got
you
it.
do this. Yeah?
Got it. Got it.
Else you do this,
Got it.
and then end.
And
And then save. And then we can try again. Oh, rescue. Where is it?
showing error.
What's the problem?
Mm,
Syntax error, rescue argument error.
syntax error. So how can we execute all the tests at one go? Uh, how to,
What?
so we changed, right? So we need to execute our features once again, isn't it?
Yeah, but wait, I just want this to pass.
Yeah. Okay.
I want it to pass, and then we can start executing again. So here begin. So we do our code, and then rescue the error, and then we do the command. Else puts this an end. Maybe we don't need an end. I don't know.
There's no if. Where is if?
There's no if. So rescue itself.
Okay.
So
That
it's
without if, can you use else? That's what.
it seems like it. Like if I look at this,
So you
this
have
is
if
how
over here, right? Are you seeing what I highlighted?
no show me.
Line 46.
Yeah,
So you have if over here.
yeah.
So if you have if over here and else over here, then I guess we need to have if over here.
Ah, okay. Yeah. I get it.
Something like that. Maybe like we are missing something. So if else, and then we need to rearrange this.
Yeah. Oh, and in other languages, it says try, and that's very convenient. Like try this, catch this, and then
Yeah.
end.
Yeah.
That's it's a bit more straightforward.
So if rescue argument error flash invalid guess, else flash. So I guess else. So let us do one thing. Let's go traditional way. Okay. We can always 1 minute. Let me copy this.
Oh, sorry. We're missing something. Yes, we're missing begin here. Begin. So begin is like try. Yes.
Yeah.
I think that's what we're missing.
So
You agree?
yeah, but try. Let's try.
Okay. So here is begin. Then this is our thing, and then we need an end. Yes. So we try here, and then new game, and then I guess this. Yes.
Okay, it's working, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. So let's commit and let's push to Heroku.
Yeah, we can just try once to check all the features.
Okay.
So we can do a cucumber feature, and then this supposed to check all the features.
Okay. Yeah. It will execute every feature
Yeah.
file.
Yeah. So 10 scenarios, 10 tasks. This is good.
Nice.
And we can check with the bundle. Let's see. How was it again? Can you check the bundle?
Auto test.
Yeah.
Auto test.
Yeah.
Nice. So we can add everything in Git. Git add minus a.
Yeah. Do you want to go ahead and drive?
Yeah, Git. So we need to add to the staging, right? Git add minus a. Okay, you
want to
want?
drive?
Oh yeah, I can. Git add minus a. Right?
Yeah.
Commit.
Maybe you can check the status first. So we check, we see the changes that are made.
Okay.
Yeah. So app that we are, yeah.
Right, and git commit minus am.
Working version, let's say.
Uh, you can say
Working version or final version or
production version.
yeah, production. Yeah, you wrote production.
Oh, sorry. Production version Heroku. Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Right?
Yeah.
And git Heroku.
Yeah.
Nice. So we can go and check here.
Yeah. This website, you want to check?
Yeah, I'm accessing that right now.
Yeah.
It's working awesome.
Yeah. I'm just worried a little bit because it's. Okay. Yeah. 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 Sure. But maybe okay. Like let's push it a little bit further because I see that the error message stays. It doesn't get restarted. Yeah. Oh, nice.
You're getting error.
No, like if you like try again.
Okay.
So press A, for example. Press A. A. Yes, A.
Yeah. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I'm looking at 15.
Okay, guess A.
Yeah, and
Oh,
yeah,
C.
why does it give you this?
So you
Shouldn't
have
give you this.
already used that letter, even though if it's a new game, if it is a new game, like it should refresh, right?
Yeah, but why? Yeah, every time it gives you this message. This is something broken, I think, in the code. Let's see how we can fix it.
Yeah. Even though it's a new game, it should get refreshed.
Yeah, so let's see. ERB show. I think this is an ERB show. Okay, so this is in the ERB show, I think.
Huh?
The problem is in the ERB show. I think it should. Uh,
So every time it's showing, you have already used that letter.
yeah.
Okay, we need to debug that. Okay. So when I when we click new game, it's not instantiating some
Yeah,
or
it's here. Yeah.
it's instantiating, but somehow you have already used that letter is getting generated. So where is that message? You have already used that word. You have
The message is in
47, right?
post guess. So
Yeah,
in ERB, yeah. So
47.
begin rescue. Oh, okay. I think the rescue command messed it up.
Mm.
So if you try to remove this rescue command, you will not see it again.
Hmm. So how do for when will invalid guess will be displayed?
Invalid guess if you put a number, for example, or something.
Yeah. So there should be some condition over here, right? Like
Um,
for this thing to get displayed, we have this condition, right? This condition.
yeah,
So for this to get displayed, we need to have a condition, right?
yeah, yeah. I think it's best if you make it a condition.
Mm.
Um,
Okay. Well, let's do argument error, then
let's go.
return false, and
Hmm.
message invalid. Okay. Crash. Letter rescue. Argument error. Crash message invalid. Else. Crash. Else. Else. Um, are you doing something?
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm doing some research. Page, uh, Okay, maybe we can do it this way. So I will continue. Yeah, begin, and then do this, and then rescue argument error, and then here I would say redirect to show.
Okay.
It's not the cleanest way, but
Okay.
but this should work, I think. Maybe this should work. So I should run. Let's try
Will
to.
yeah.
Okay. Ah, it's not working. It was working well, right? It was.
Well, in the beginning it worked.
Yeah. I think it,
I don't know. Did we do something?
let's just comment these lines and see if. Let's try it like this before we have this thing. So I go like this, open it, again, so A. Yeah, it doesn't show it anymore. Then A, yes, because you already used this
Yeah.
filter, and then E,
Fail.
yes, remove. Yeah. So it's
So,
yeah,
so
it's really
if you don't give anything and say guess, don't give anything and say guess, or give special character and give us.
yeah. I think it will break it. So here, and then I say yes. Yeah, it broke it.
Yeah. So we need to cache this right now.
Yeah.
Um, okay. Begin.
Yeah. Okay. What we can do is write the code again, like the hang person. So go here. Yeah, tricky.
So that invalid guess should. What about? See, what if we do? What if we do like this?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. We can try this.
So because there are two redirect show, right? So I want to uh, begin where we need to have another end, right? Or
After the beginning. Yeah.
hit this. Check that.
Yeah. say A. And C. Yeah, let's go. Okay, I think I got it. I think I got it. We should do the begin here. So this is our statement that we're checking, basically.
Okay.
This is our statement that we're checking because this is the one that returns the error.
Okay.
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 And then so begin this, and then the way we catch it is this.
We need to pass that letter, right? We need to pass that letter. You deleted that.
Pass which one? No. It's already passed in this statement because here it will check.
Oh, okay.
This is where it fails. This is where the code gets broken.
Okay.
So then we rescue it here, and we say it's an invalid guess, and then we end here and redirect to show.
Okay.
I really hope this works. Yeah. So start a new game. Say A. Say A again. Then we say C. It's removed. And then I put something. Yes. And then D, for example. Yes, it's working.
Nice.
Perfecto.
Give a special character.
Give it an exclamation mark, for example. Yeah.
Okay.
For a number.
Okay. Do one thing. Click new game now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And click and give A.
The what?
Some letter. Character.
A. Yeah.
Yeah, it's working. It should be working. Yeah.
Then if you say A again, no, this is Q, sorry. So if you say A again, it tells you already used that letter, and then C.
Continue. Let's see.
Reset.
7 items.
Yeah. Yeah.
7 items.
The what?
Continue 7 times so that you will lose.
Okay. So A, C, let's. Do you want to lose or try to figure it out? Actually.
Anything. No, like anything. Any, win or lose. I mean.
F, C, I. What can it be? Oh. I was never good at this game. Okay.
Give N. N as Nancy. N.
N. N.
No.
M. Which one?
No.
M maybe. Y. Oh, exclusive. Oh, damn it.
All right, it's working.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah, now we can push it. Yeah.
So let's commit and push.
Yeah. So git.
Add.
Yeah, maybe you can run the tests again. So cucumber features.
Nice.
Yes. And then git the. Let's see what that's. Yeah, okay. So git add git commit
AM and reports.
Let's say final working with final working catching.
Production, like say production, again production with bug fixes, something like that.
Production what?
Production, production version with bug fixes.
Version with
Bug fixes. Yeah, that will do.
then git push tool.
That's right.
Yeah, do you want to try to run it on Drupal?
Yeah.
Try U again. So another.
You?
Yeah, or T or any. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Something else. Yeah.
It's working.
Okay. Cool. Perfect.
So, what is the next submission?
Yeah, the next thing I think is submit the assignment. I think it took much longer than it deserves.
Submission.
There's the conclusion. So there's one part which is conclusion, I guess. Let's see here. This assignment has served as a microcosm miniature tour entire course. During the rest of the course, we'll investigate each of these in more detail, and we'll also add new techniques. Fun. Test-driven development will let you write more detailed tests for your code. Determine coverage. We use our spec to retest first development. Make right test. Make test and then use auto-test tool to help get into rhythm. Let's read exception. Okay. That's it. Okay. Code metrics, video, insight. Yeah, okay, I think we can stop broadcasting because this is
Yeah. So stop.
So
Stop.
the rest is leaving. Yeah. So I'll stop broadcasting and send you. Let me just copy the link first.
Okay.
And send you
URL.
Yeah.
Got it.
And stop broadcasting now.